If you're experiencing login failures in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login failures. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that you are running the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3. Check for updates through your gaming platform Steam, GOG, etc., and install any available patches. Keeping the game updated can resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with your connection to the game servers, leading to login issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Baldur's Gate 3. This can fix corrupted files or settings that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and get back to enjoying Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.